Uh, all right, everyone. Uh, so my name is Khairuman Aryatam Abdul Aziz, and I am here to explain a topic about. Man, I already forgot what the topic is. So basically, the topic is about human language, I think. Alright, so first of all, let's start with what is language? Well, for me, alright, this is my opinion. Language is somewhat like a media to help bridge other people to understand what we are saying. So, like, of course, humans are social creature and we need to socialize too. So we use language as our way to communicate with other people. So yeah, that's my opinion on it. So uh, language comes in many type. As for example, uh, the way we are talking right now, yeah, we're speaking. There are many language in the world, and then the second one is hand sign language. So yeah, so let's talk about the language, the one we speak. So uh, people that doesn't speak our language, of course they don't know what we're saying, right? So that's why they bought a dictionary and they study it. Well, I think study is the right word for it. I don't know. My my English skill is kind of low for that, so I'm sorry. So yeah, people learn a language through dictionary, but uh, even though they done their uh, homework in the dictionary and like learning a lot of new words, new sentence like that, but of course it's kind of hard to use it because the sentence in the dictionary are limited and sentence can be infinite. Like for example, I want to go buy ice cream. That's the first. And then the and let's try to get it up high a little. I want to buy ice cream at the store. Alright, that's the second one. And then let's take it a little bit higher. I want to buy ice cream at the store in Halimawan Road. So yeah, I'm not gonna tell you guys a longer sentence because I don't know, man. I just wake up and I'm kinda crackhead for now. I can't think of anything right now. So yeah, and that's why just by reading a dictionary and learning it, it only helps you a little to understand other people language. And then uh, let's go to pronunciation. If you want to pronounce something, you gotta know the word, and to gotta know the word, you gotta know what the meaning of the word is. So like, you can't just make a sentence without knowing what the word and its meaning. Like, you're just talking nonsense. And then, like, for example, if you try to speak Java, like for example, kue neng di. Alright. So people that doesn't speak Java, of course they don't know what that means, right? And if they want to say the word, they'll have a bit of a hard time pronouncing the word, especially those who come in maybe Minangkabau, yeah, because of their sound. Yeah, sound. To be honest, I don't know what the word is. I don't know what the sound means, guys. I don't want to speak Indonesian because I think I'm gonna get. I think my grade is gonna get cut off a bit. Oh yeah, let's continue with the hand sign. Hand sign. So this is part of a language. Yeah. Of course, there are people who doesn't have the full uh, full full or let's not say full. Let's just say people who have limited access to their bodies, such as sound and hearing. Yeah. So I'm gonna talk about deaf people. So deaf people uses a language that's called hand sign. Yeah, like this. So uh, of course we who uses sound, voice, of course we don't know what the hand sign mean, and we need to study it. So we can't just like go to a deaf people and just throw up hand signs like that. Uh, people, okay, all right. Maybe people in America will think it's a gang sign. Like, I don't know a gang sign, man. So yeah, I'm not gonna give you guys an example. But in local, if you go to someone and you throw up a sign, a hand sign like this, they'll just think you're a madman from somewhere. So yeah. So I think that's all that I remember from the topic. Yeah, that's all from me. Alright. Thank you all for watching this far, and I'm sorry if my pronunciation or my voice is kinda small. Yeah, I'm not that used to talking like this. I'm a quiet person in real life. So yeah, that's all for me. Thanks.